Do you want to sell cars in Alabama? New or used, you need a motor vehicle dealer license. Follow these 10 simple steps to get licensed legally. No headaches. Step 1. Take the Alabama Dealer Pre-License Training. Alabama requires all new dealers to complete a dealer education course approved by the Department of Revenue. You'll get a certificate of completion valid for 6 months. This certificate is required with your application. Fun fact, some courses are in person, some online. Choose the one that doesn't make you snooze. Step 2. Decide your dealership's business type. Sole proprietor, LLC, corporation, or partnership. Then register your business with the Alabama Secretary of State. Using a DBA? Make sure that's registered too. Why? Because your business structure and registration proof are required for your license application. Don't skip this step or your paperwork will be returned. Step 3. Get a Federal Employer Identification Number, FEIN. Your dealership's Social Security number. Sole proprietors without employees can use their Social Security instead. You'll need this for your license application and taxes. Go to www.irs.gov to apply online. It's free, easy, and instant. Step 4. Find your dealership location. Alabama requires a physical spot that meets these standards. Permanent office space. No working from your garage. Display area for vehicles. Zoning approval from your city or county. Snap photos of your office, display area, parking, and sign for your application. Pro tip, make your dealership look professional because first impressions count. Step 5. Get your Alabama sales tax number. All dealers must collect sales tax. You can't sell legally without it. Apply online via the Alabama Department of Revenue. Make sure you report sales taxes correctly to stay compliant. Tip, link to the Alabama DOR website is in our bio. Step 6. You need garage liability insurance to protect your dealership from accidents, damages, or injuries. Minimum coverage, $25,000 combined single limit for bodily injury and property damage, plus $10,000 personal injury protection. Some dealers combine general liability with business auto insurance, but that's tricky to set up. Tip, skip the stress. The experts at All American Bonds and Insurance handle this for you. Links in bio for instant access. Step 7. Alabama requires a $50,000 motor vehicle dealer surety bond. Protects your customers and ensures compliance. Must be on the official form with exact business name and any DBA. Signatures and seals are required, so don't DIY it. Bonus tip. Get it done quickly and correctly with All American Bonds and Insurance. Seriously, they make this step painless. Step 8. Install a permanent, visible sign at your location. Include your business name and hours. Must be visible from the roadway. Don't forget to take a photo. The DMV needs it for your application. No sign, no license. Simple as that. Step 9. All owners/officers must be electronically fingerprinted with a Department of Revenue approved provider. They submit your fingerprints to the state. You'll get a receipt. Attach it to your license application. If anyone has prior convictions, include certified court records. Pro tip, it costs about $60 to $100, but it's worth it to get it right the first time. Step 10. Submit your motor vehicle dealer license application with all required docs. Pre-license course certificate, $50,000 surety bond or irrevocable letter of credit, garage liability insurance proof, business registration, DBA proof lease or property ownership documents, photos, office, lot, sign, display area, electronic fingerprint receipts, any court records, if applicable ID documents, application fee. Once approved, you're officially a licensed Alabama car dealer. And there you have it. 10 steps to get your Alabama motor vehicle dealer license. If you haven't gotten your $50,000 dealer surety bond or garage liability insurance, the experts at All American Bonds and Insurance make it fast, easy, and completely stress-free. Check the links in our bio for all the resources mentioned in this video. Go get licensed and start selling cars the right way.